Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Docs app and signing in so edits save automatically. Once in a document, enter editing mode, tap the pencil icon, then tap the plus insert menu and pick table. You choose a grid size immediately. This creates the table structure on your page. Do this right away so you can see cell boundaries and start entering content. Make sure the app shows editing tools before proceeding, because insert is only available in edit mode. Once the table exists, pick the exact rows and columns you need. You can always add more later. To adjust layout, tap a cell and drag its blue handle to resize columns or rows for better spacing. Use the formatting toolbar to change font size, bold, background color, and alignment so the table reads clearly. If you need to add rows or columns, tap a cell, open the table menu, and choose Insert above, below, left, or right to expand the grid. To finish, fill remaining cells, review alignment, and visually balance column widths so the table looks tidy. Once done, use Share to give collaborators access or export to PDF when you need a fixed layout. Everything autosaves to Drive so you won't lose changes. If the insert or table options are missing, make sure you're in editing mode and that the app is updated. If problems persist, open the document in a browser desktop site as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.